What do I do? What do I do? Am I cooked? Hello. Yes. SingPass can? I see.
Wait. I do a basic screening first, then I'll tell you why I stopped you.
Okay.
Okay, so I stopped you because I observed you are on full gear.
Oh.
Wearing running jacket. It's good. Keep it. Safety is very important. So I stopped you because now we are having a reward rider program. Basically, a small token from us for you being safe.
Okay.
If anything, at least your skin is covered. So just give me a moment.
Okay, thanks. Thank you. I thought I kena something lah. Oh, okay, it's a bag.
Carry stuff, right? I don't know how you gonna carry.
I think maybe can.
I need you to fill up the form.
Okay.
So I need to take out the form.
Sure.
Front of the car to fill up the form.
Okay.
Hold this. Inside is gloves. It's like raincoat or something.
Oh, nice.
A bandana. Photo cash card. Cash card is for cars.
Yeah. So I just signed here.
Yeah. See wherever they tell you to sign. So a name, sign.
Okay. What's this form for?
I mean, this one is to acknowledge that you received the
Oh.
mask. Like, we cannot just. There's more.
Oh, there's more. Oh, sorry.
Fill it.
Wow. Okay. This one is media release. What's this?
Are you okay with if we take picture later?
Oh.
Selfie or something later. If the use my road sense Facebook page.
Okay.
This picture, are you okay with it?
Can. Okay.
And the rest is on me.
You okay if I post this? Okay. Okay.
So you hold this.
Okay. Thank you.
I guess.
Thank you. Thank you. Can I do one for my camera also?
Yeah, sure.